Hi everyone, welcome to the demo of BananaHQ's Intent Solver. So this is basically an infrastructure, but we have integrated this piece of infrastructure, piece of SDK, in this web chat-based UI application, where I can basically express my intent and that those intents will get executed. So yeah, let's say I want 0.1 USDC on Cello. Use Matic from Polygon because I already have it. Let's say I have this intent. I press on it. Oh, I have to connect my wallet first. Yeah. So while I'm connecting my wallet, I'm basically connecting to this account abstraction SDK that we have built. So it's basically a banana wallet is spun up, which is this, and then it's connected. Now, when I execute this, what's basically happening is that the solver is trying to find the best and the optimum route for this transaction to get executed, and it says that okay, you'll probably have to swap this much matic with USDC token, and we'll do that on quick swap. And then it also finds whether uh, that you will also have to do a bridging to Cello. So it finds the best platforms to do it with, and then once I say okay, fine, execute it for me, uh, then now the transactions are being built. So I gave it intent. It figured out what transactions would be required. Then now it's creating these smaller transactions for me, and then it will send it to the account abstraction SDK, which will like do transaction batching, bundling, gas sponsorship, anything that's required. So we have basically outsourced the transaction creation process, and we have outsourced the account management process as well. Transaction building the transaction can take a little time, so now we can see that it wants me to authenticate through my touch ID. I do that. That's again a functionality provided by BananaHQ's account abstraction SDK. Okay, sometimes it can ask you for your touch ID multiple times, but like it could have been like a MetaMask pop-up here or anything else. Any wallet could be there, but we are leveraging our own wallet infrastructure for this. Nice. So now we can see that the transactions are there. Let's open XLR scan to check the cross bridging transaction and Polygon scan to see the other transaction. So yeah, on uh, on XLR we can see that there is a transaction of zero point 0.1 USDC which has been bridged from Polygon to Cello, and probably have to reload it here. It can take a little time for the transaction to appear, but we can see that the transaction has happened. Like the last transaction which was bridging, that has happened. It's still waiting for the finality. It can roughly take like around 4 minutes to kind of get that done. Now we can see that these transactions have been executed, and okay, the last transaction was through XLR gateway, and there were contract interactions with ERC433783 point contract as well. So yeah, that's it for the demo. Thank you so much.